Welcome back, everyone. This is the last video in our journey with algebraic fractions this term. It's about equations, solving equations with algebraic fractions. So let's get into it. Okay, so we already have done equations like this before, but I'll just show you another strategy, I guess, you can use. All right, because what we've done before is just like multiply the denominator over to the numerator on the other side, right? I'll just do these two examples with a slightly different approach, and one that you may find handy in other situations where cross multiplying may, take longer or not as efficient, right? So all about equipping you with tools that you can decide when to apply. All right, example 17. Okay, so the first thing we can do here, rather than like multiplying it diagonally, like this, like we did in term 1, is to rewrite each fraction with a common denominator. So we see we have x and 3, while the lowest common denominator would be 3x. So that means we need to multiply everything here by 3. So we'll get 18 over 3x equals, okay, so we want 3x, so that means we need to multiply the 2 by x. Right, now, the reason we do this is because if both fractions are equal and they have the same denominator, that means the numerators must equal. So, or like algebraically, we can just multiply one of the denominators to the other side, and we can see that that cancels out. But you can just go straight here. All right, 18 equals 2x, because the numerators must be equal, so therefore x equals 9. All right, so that's just another strategy that you can use when you see equations with fractions in them. So let's do 18. Let's see if this actually makes it easier to solve. If not, again, just another strategy. So we want to write both sides of the equation with the same denominator. So it's going to have to be these two multiplied. So x plus 2, x minus 1, x plus 2, x minus 1, which means we need to multiply the 5 by x minus 1 as well. And we need to multiply the 2 by x plus 2. And look, it was probably quicker if we just multiplied the denominators to the opposite numerator, because that's exactly what we get. Because now that the denominators are the same, the numerators are equal. So we get 5x minus 5 equals 2x plus 4. Solve for x, 3x should equal 9, x equals 3. Alright, nice quick one for you. So something you already know how to do, but just showing you another way of doing it. And you decide, have the strategy in the back of your head or just in your toolbox, and apply when you think it's appropriate. Alright, that's it for algebraic fractions, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.